All right, everybody, we are at the end of our giveaway for our $50 Amazon gift card. I want to thank every one of you for participating, for subscribing, for watching my YouTube channel. I do really appreciate each and every one of you. So as you can see, our little spinner is kind of flashing between names. We had 66 entries. I'm going to let this flash for another minute so you guys can try to find your name, but I did put every single name on everyone that did actually comment, share, and give that video a nice thumbs up. So I hope you guys had fun, with this little giveaway. We will do more as we hit more milestones. Our next milestone is 10,000, so we'll have a fun giveaway for that as well. So let's go ahead and spin and find out who our winner is. Oh, we've almost got a winner. We've almost got a winner. Our winner is Sally Rogers. Sally, I'm so excited for you. I will get in touch with you very, very soon so we can get you your Amazon gift card. I truly hope you guys have a wonderful day. Keep watching because I'm going to add tons of new videos, especially with Christmas coming up. I have lots of great ones coming up for you guys. Have a great day.